I lost my head.
Vitaly, there are ways to get ahead in life, and this is not one of them. You look like Frankenstein.
No,
yeah.
I don't. I look like the monster. Frankenstein's the doctor.
What?
A commonly misunderstood fact.
Hi guys, my name is Brandy.
Hey, I'm Dr. Frankenstein. And today we are going to be making
Heads in a jar.
The first thing you're gonna need
Are pictures.
No, jars.
Oh, you're gonna need jars. Jars.
Yeah, we have like these like large inner tube looking jars.
If I were to try to find a jar for a head that I'm storing, it would definitely be this one.
There's lots of uses for jars, one of which being apparently storing heads. Okay, it's kind of creepy, but whatever.
So the next thing you're gonna need is some water. So
And
pour
we have
some water up
in
in
this
there.
container right here. I'll show you
This
guys.
bowl.
Just
Okay, that's good. That's good.
Believe us, there's water in here.
Vitaly.
We got some water.
I knew it was gonna happen.
So this is what we have. We have water. Which one are we doing first?
This, eeny, meeny, miny, this one.
Okay. So we'll pour it into here. We'll go like this. Try to get a good even pour.
Wow. Perfect.
Okay, we clearly do not have enough water.
Yeah.
Luckily, we have a sink behind us.
So
Ta-da! Welcome to Pocket Watch Studios.
Okay, you good?
Ooh.
Beautiful.
Wow.
Jinx, you owe me a soda. You owe me millions of dollars.
No, I hate this.
Now we're gonna add some dye. Ooh.
Ooh.
I think that if we just
You stir it around. Whatever, I guess. Are we washing our fingers in here? Is that what we're doing?
no, well, because this one is more yellow
It's
now.
more yellow. You see, we added less. It made it more yellow.
Yeah, that's how
this is more
things
orange
work.
right here.
Life hack. So now, of course, you need to put a head in a jar, right?
in a jar.
That's what we're here for.
We have Brandy's face here.
Yep, this is my face.
This is Brandy's
picture of my
face.
face.
What we have here is a picture. You can probably find a random picture online. We've laminated it.
See, so you have to kind of stretch it out. Like the sides of his face, you kind of need to like.
This is the way this would work. First, face on shot. Turn to the right, prisoner. Other right, prisoner. And then you take a shot like this. Now turn to the right, prisoner. No, yes, there you go. Now you can take another picture like this, and so that way you get a head-on shot, and then these two side profile shots, and then you cut out the face, and you kind of Photoshop it together.
Okay, so that baby pops right in here. Boop. How does it look? Whoa! Ooh, that looks creepy.
That looks so weird.
That actually looks creepy, dude.
Yeah, let's try double jar. So then you have this head in the jar, and then you drop this head in the jar.
Oh, Vitaly!
It works! No. It kind of made a fart sound too.
We're gonna do a third one, and I think I know whose head would be perfect for it.
Okay, so we are now gonna make a third and final head in a jar. Hand in a jar.
Oh, Vitaly,
that one was an
cleaned.
accident. Because I didn't think it would open up that much. Wait.
I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, you know?
By the way, who cleaned it?
What?
What were you gonna say?
Nothing, I was saying you're the best.
So our third head in the jar is the most beautiful, the most fantastic,
That's an
the cream
opinion.
of the crop, the top of the top, the head of the class, the best of the best head there ever was and ever will be. And of course, we are not speaking of Brandy's head. No, nay, we of course are speaking of Vitaly's head.
Also, I just want to say, this is my favorite picture of you.
I gave like a dead effect, kind of like a.
Yeah, I see. Like you're dead. I feel it.
I'm dead.
Okay, well these look really great, but they're not completely finished, are they?
They technically are, but if
we
you
can
want
make them even better.
way better. If we want to add that pocket watch effect to it,
Then you need to add dry ice, which we have. I'm gonna go get it. Okay, so we are glovified, and we are ready to handle this
when you
dry
handle
ice.
dry ice, you want to use gloves because it's super cold.
It's freezing, guys.
And so this is a safety precaution. So if you're lucky enough to get dry ice, use gloves.
I am so happy. Oh, that's so cool.
And now the main one.
Oh, that's huge.
This is a huge piece. Wait, Brandy, why is the room filling up with water? I lost my head.
Vitaly, there are ways to get ahead in life, and this is not one of them.
Look,
okay?
I have a good head on my shoulders. I thought I'd use it for a head in a jar. You know, to make the people smile. Bring joy and laughter to the homes.
Okay, well, you may have lost your head, but you didn't lose your puns, so that's good.
No brain freeze over here.
Do you have any more head puns you want to?
No. Oh, no, I have writer's block. You know what we need to do? We need to brainstorm!
Brainstorm! Thank you so much for watching. I'm Brandy.
Oh, wait, Brandy, where are you? I don't see you.
I'm here.
Oh, there you are. Oh, hi!
This is weird.
I'm Vitaly.
This is Pocket Watch. Be sure to like,
comment,
subscribe. We'll see you next time.
And let us know where else my head should go.
Yeah, for sure.
What adventure should my head go on?
Bye.
Bye.